Hi guys, today we are going to work on uh, automating monthly budget report. So what is this? So every month we want to sort of do our monthly budget calculations, such as what we have sent, invested, and what we have saved with, and what we want to calculate so that we can get an idea on what we are spending on. So this is what I have come up with, automating a monthly budget report. So basically we have a sort of basically Excel sheet which contains investments, expenses, EMIs, savings, monthly expenditure, and everything. So Excel sheet, through Excel sheet, master sheet. Let me open that master sheet. Okay. So this is the master sheet which we have. Uh, okay. So this is the master sheet. So basically, it is a sample data set. We randomly have taken this data. So it is contains month number, month, year, monthly timestamp, monthly inflow. What is the total salary? What are the essential expenses percentage, lifestyle expenses percentage, total EMIs and EMIs percentage, investments percentage, left out for the month. What we have left out for the month? How much amount was left on from the total salary? Left out percentage, outflows, how much total salary which we have sent. For example, coming to this outflows, what is this? You can see, right? Equals to total salary minus of left for the month. And see, 90. So these are it works. So this is the Excel sheet, which master sheet, which I have created randomly with random data, with percentages and investments, EMIs, expenses, and all these things. So what we have finally want to do is that we want to create this report and we want to send a mail. So there is a XYZ person is sending it to his mail, automating this. So what we hi, please find your monthly report budget. This is the monthly report. So like this every month and or starting of the month, we can track our expenses. So you can see right for November, next December, like that. Okay. So this is how we want to do. Let's start with the coding. Okay. So let me go to pandas. Okay. So here the coding starts. These are the libraries which we need to install, import. So basically OS, right? We need dealing with the internal files and all these things. Open Excel for dealing Excel files, pandas, data frames, plotting, matplotlib, aggregations, calculations. We do want to delete. We are pasting image, cutting the image, and throwing image library. SMTP. We are using SMTP library because we are going to send the mail to our Gmail. So email.mail multipart, my multipart is used for different attachments, such as we want to HTML or convert our image or anything, sort of HTML script and all these things. My image, same thing. Text, same for text, multipart, like this. Time imports strp time. If you want to convert, for example, November, we want to convert this new text November to numeric number 11. So for that purpose, we used strip time. So this is how, and this is how it works. And let me check it whether it's recording or not. Okay, recording. So final data frame. So basically we are importing the master file which I have shown, right? This is the file which I have imported. So master file got imported. This is the data you see, right? It contains every monthly data of July, August, September, October, November, and everything. So, okay. You can see, right? Different from different months. Okay, we got this report. Master file. This is the master file which you are seeing, right? This is the master file. From this, we want to create this particular report. So let's start working on creating this report. So for x-axis, we use a monthly timestamp is a constant thing, which for different months which we are using, and y-axis is a different y-axis we use, such as for investments and for total essential expenses, for total lifestyle expenses, total EMIs left out for the month, total outflows. So these are the things. So next, for making subplots, we are using subplots because we want to plot different plots in time inside the particular range. Or so you can see, right, axis fixed size 10 of 10. So 0 of 0 is for monthly investments. This 0 of 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 is for life expenses. Similarly, you can see 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 for life expenses. You see 1, 0. 1, 1 for total EMIs, 1, 1 for total EMIs, right? So this is how it works. So fixed plot size, it's of 3.3, 2 subplots 3, 2. We are using three rows, 2 columns. That's what fixed size is of this, and axis of 0 of 0. You have 0, right? 0 of 0 is this one, 0 of 1 is this one, 1 of 0 is this one, 1 of 1 is total EMIs. So like this. Set EMIs, enumerate Y. What is enumerate? Enumerate Y means it loops. Basically, if for this Y, what is total investments? So total investment, let's go to total investments. Okay, there are different investments you can see, right? For 2000, 4000, what is the range? Basically, on that basis, it's going to plot. It loops onto everything. So that's the thing. So loops basically 0 text value index value, x-axis, y-axis, and string value. Value, we are pasting it as an integer, not as integer. We are pasting it as a string so that it can reflect as a string. So this is how we are marking subplots for everything. This is for sort of for monthly investment. Similarly, we go for y1. Y1, what is the y1 total expenses? It's of 0, 1. You can see that. Sorry, essential expenses. You can see, right, 0, 1. So similarly we'll follow how many are there, 5 are there, so we'll follow same for all 5. Wi-Fi, enumerate 5. Fig dot type layout. So we are it's a layout type. Yeah, you can go through this by googling it. Basically there are different types of layout which we can use. Title, basically what I have used is that because you can see image in a particular manner. I want image in a particular title layout manner, so that's what I have used at, and this is how it works. And so title layout and the image will be created. So what, after creating the image, we want to save the plot. We want to save this particular plot into a local file like this. This is the plot we want to save like this. Okay, we want to save the plot like this. Let me save the file. So how to save this plot which we have created? So how to save files is equals to, let's OS or this directory budget planning. So this is the plan. So for our example wise, I am removing this particular file which I have created. This is the report which it has created, right? I am removing it now. I am removing it now. Delete. So deleting it, right? So it's not there now. Then after running it, it should pop up over there. That's what our program should do, right? It should be saving that particular report in our local system, basically. So what it does is that files, how many files are, this is the path which you are giving. This is the same path in my system which I have provided. So, open it. So this is the path, OS path. So files in files. So it is going to loop each and every file in this particular location. So for example, for file dot starts with, it's not dot jpg is not there, basically Monday dot report. Basically here what we have done, we have removed that particular file. So the file is not there here particularly. So what it does is that if file is not there in this location, then file starts with If file is there, then what prints yes it's there, and removes that particular file. And what it shows, old file is deleted. Then what it does, it creates the new file and saves it. And it shows as old file is deleted and new file is created. Okay, this is the if loop it contains. If it contains monthly report file, if it doesn't contains monthly, it directly creates a new file. So this is how it works. So we have removed that file, but what file name? The file name is monthly report, MONREP. MONREP file is not available here. So let's run the code. It's running. New file is created. You can see, right? Why it's showing new file is created? Because there is something which I need to do. It is going through each and every file. Each and every file. That's what. It checks it for each and every file and it's creating. You can count also. At last, new file is created. New file is created. Let it work. It checks each and every file. We can cut short it basically. So the file is generated. This is the layout, our report basically. Why the report is showing like this, like a blurring, basically the values are getting out of it, because I am using some other theme in Jupyter Notebook, which you people are using regular Jupyter theme. It may be visible to you in a complete new regular manner. It will be easy to. So you can see, right, the new file got generated just now. Let me open that. Here we'll see the new file. This is the new file. Let me open. I'll close all this. See, the new file is generated with monthly investments for every month, essential expenses for every month, lifestyle expenses for every month, total EMIs for every month, liquid savings for every month, total monthly output. So you can customize it based on your requirement. If you want to add pie charts, if you want to add a line graph, time trends, donut charts, or any sort of gauges or anything. It's based on your customization, which you can be using it. This is how what I want to show. Now the second part is done. What is that second part? As we said, right? First part is of creating the master file, and the second part is of creating the monthly report. Monthly report is created. The third part is of automating this. Triggering to the report to the Gmail whenever we run the code, basically. So this is the third part. So creating the mail trigger. So monthly mail report. So my multi-part I have imported there. You can see, right? I have started. I have imported my multi-part. So it's used for different sort of data classification for mails. If we want to attach sort of texts, images, or any sort of HTML type of text or anything, we use multi-part. So we are using alternative because we are using different things, attachments. You can Google it. It's the same content. Example for plain text, or is the HTML version or anything. So multi-part. The message subject is of monthly budget report. And similarly, which we compose a mail, right? So subject is a monthly budget report. Message is from XY. I have created, this is the random thing which I don't want to showcase my mail ID to everyone. Okay, so that's what the thing, xyz@gmail.com, to list to whom you all want to send ABC, like that. Message, what is from XYZ to ABC, monthly budget report. Hi, please find the monthly budget report attached. A text. This is the text of my text. HTML, CID image text. Because this is the same. This is the content where we can attach our text to our message. Basically, we are attaching the text to a message. That's what image. Image. What we have already saved our image from this code, above code, right? We have saved this image in the monthly report in this particular location. So coming to here, we are providing open. This is the same path. Monthly report. Read binary, zeros and one, right? To zero read binary and read it. Define the image ID as reference. Okay. Image dot header. Image dot add header. So attach image, message dot attach image also which we need to attach. Okay, image dot add header, content ID, image ID. Okay, then this is the part where which we are using SMTP. So you need to connect to our SMTP library basically. So SMTP, which we need to do some settings before working on it. You have multiple YouTube videos basically how to connect to your SMTP library in Gmail. You Google it basically. YouTube helps a lot in this. So this is the basic syntaxes which we use to connect to SMTP library as a login. This is a login. When you set up an SMTP library, there is a password which generates. So this is a password which I got generated basically. So the different passwords which we generate. So for different passwords and different passwords to generate. So these are different passwords. So for IN2 list, for IN2. So what we're going to do now? IN2 list. IN2 list. We have two mails. That's what we're using for S dot send mail. Send mail. This is a from ID. This is XYZ is sending a mail to I in one. One is for ABC. abc.gmail.com. Message. What is the message? Message is from subject. Hi, please find your monthly budget report attached. Okay, this is the monthly budget report attached. Okay, this is the first mail which we are going to send. And the second is that we are going to attach the report for same thing. So it sends mails to different persons. Basically, in this loop to list, we have two persons, so it is going to send two people. A message dot ash string. Ash string means because message attach image. It contains image. Image is this thing monthly report.jpg. S.quit. If it is done, it quits and mail sent successfully. Let's run this. So basically, oh, it's I have removed my mail IDs. You can see, right? I have removed my mail. I have some random to list, and that's what it's not running. Basically, after running your code, your result will be looking like this. Basically, see, XY, this is my mail ID. I don't want to show. That's what. So, to ABC, for example, XYZ is sending for ABC. So let's see. Hi, first mail which triggers is hi, please find your monthly budget report attached. And the second thing you have seen, right? First thing, this is for message. Hi, please find your monthly budget report attached. We got the same. And the second thing, please, what is that? Image, attach image, message dot as string. What is this image? Monthly investment, monthly expenses. So this is the attachment image, monthly report dot image. So this is how it works, guys. It looks cool, right? So in the next video, we are going to automate it basically by using scheduler, right? Task scheduler. We can schedule this mail to run monthly, weekly, daily based on your requirement. In scheduling this task, we'll be looking into the next video. I'll post it. And for this particular video, this is how it works. And I'll be attaching all this code in the description. Please go through it. It will be helpful. So this is how it works. From particular creating a master, from generating a master code, basically budget, automating the monthly report budget is like this. So first Excel sheet to report to Gmail. This is how, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.